Good morning! Happy Sabado! Ayoy! Agoy! Uy! Say hello! Hello! More? Okay. Kumakain siya guys ng bingka. You want more? Or you don't like this one? This? Meron kaming isang bag pa natira. Sa isang bag 5. Kapit tayo. Kopi ko black.
Hello.
Grabe, breaking uwan gahapon.
Kahapon na.
Daghan, ikon kung kayo magabaha.
Mga
Sa
ba?
lugar,
Uy. You don't want that?
Gilaban.
Kanin. So, kahapon kami nag-drive pabalik dito, diba? Sobrang lakas daw ng ulan dito. Sobrang lakas. Pagdating namin, may mga puddle of water dito sa iba't ibang parte ng bahay. Look.
Goodness.
Pagod na pagod din ako kahapon. Grabe naman talaga. Super tired. Come on. What do you want? Bread? No, not coffee. Milk. Tito Wayne's, please. Milk. Go to Tito Wayne's. Go. Tito Wayne's, my milk. You forgot about my milk, Tito Wayne's. She's waiting. Where's my milk, Tito? Give me my milky. Yeah, me. You waiting for Tito? Yay!
No.
Oopsie. What do you say to Tito? Say ta. Yay! Yummy! Oh, lucky girl. Yum, yum. Kape muna tayo, tas mamaya meron tayong breakfast na masarap. Nagluluto si mama ng nilagang baboy. Ayan ang mga ingredients. Yung nilaga merong, ayan, pumpkin. Nilaga yan, di ba ma? Nilatan, nilaga. Nilatan. Meron din daw gabi. Gabi?
Butig.
Ano yung butig? Basta.
Lahi ng gabi o butig.
Meron din doon butig. Hindi ko alam ano yung butig.
Yung pichay.
Yeah, hanapin niya. Aray! Ang lamig niyan, Bi. Butig, Tagalog. Tagalog, ma. Gabi.
Lahi mga gabi deres Bisaya.
Salitang Bisaya para sa ugat gulay na gabi. Sa taro sa Tagalog. Parang taro? Taro? Parang ube? Naay.
Lahi ang ube dire, lahi ang ube, lahi ang butig, lahi ang gabi.
Ewan ko guys. Basta butig to.
What chicken?
Sabi, butig sa Bisaya, gabi sa Tagalog. Pakita natin kay mama.
Ang ube is lahi sa timbawan.
Iba-iba daw. Saan ka punta, de? Chinelas na siya, oh. Where you going? Tapos na siya maligo.
Tanawa mo raragwa.
Basta may nakabantay, dire-diretso yan siya. Hoy, you wanna sleep? Pagkatapos ni daddy mag-shower, sleep na ka. Para makapagmasahe tayo, di. Yes?
Only. Subaw
Where you going, di? Gala na ako, guys. Oh. Yan, chadilas ma. Chadilas ma. You like your shoes? You like it, di? Who's this? Who's that? Who's that? Say Peppa. Say Peps. Who is it? Oh, no. Don't eat Peppa. Don't eat Peppa. Hindi pa yan luto si Peppa. Hilaw yan si Peppa. Hilaw si Peppa. Ah. Chinelas na nga siya. Saan kaya to pupunta tong batang to? Where you going, di? Ilang araw tayo sa gala. Gala ka pa rin, di? Chinelas siya, oh. Okay. Where you going? Bye, di. See you later.
Lizard.
Real na real. This is the real na real.
Siya lang daw. Oh, sit down. Put it on.
Down.
Sit. Sit down and put it on.
Happy boy.
Oh.
Put it on. Kain.
Stand up, boy. You want chocolate sticks, boy?
Yay! Where you going? Where you going, Di?
Yay!
Bye-bye, Di. Laag ka, Di.
Happy boy.
Sus, cute mo, Di. Bye-bye. See you later. Oh, naalis na nga siya.
Happy boy.
Oh, Mami! Kain mo na, Mami, De.
Ikaw kaon sa.
Ah, sorry. Yeah, love you. Daddy. Liligo pa si Daddy, be. After ligo, Daddy, you sleep, okay? Lagi, hubo na sad. Manakag kaon, miss?
Lapa ka. Bago
Oh.
ko nagkape.
Di pa ka makaon?
Tatawag.
Makaon ako. Ooh, yummy! Tinanong ko yung boys ko anong paborito nilang luto ni Mama ito daw. 2 out of 3. Ito yung paborito nila. Ni Marlon at saka ni Wiwin. That one. Nilagang baboy. Unsa man nga part sa baboy dong? Paa. Paa ng baboy. Kain tayo. Nakakain na ang kids. So, it's my turn. Ay, si ano lang pala, Arlo at saka si Indy. Kasi si Ayla, tulog pa guys. Pero buyag sa ating ate. It's not easy. Busog? Busog, lusog.
Hindi mo. Pwede ako na yung
Diretso na yun. Hugasin. Ang hugasin. Walang tubig.
Okay na.
Kel, kain tayo, Kel! Look at my plate. It's so yummy. In this back. Bigay ko muna to kay Danbe. Ay, kaya tara. Let's eat.
This one, boy? Yeah, boy. Give me 5, boy.
Sarap mo.
Hanap pag-ibig mo.
Timing, matutulog si Inde. 10:21 na. Alauna yung first massage.
Ma, pila man yung gingon pila ka person ang mga pamassage.
Right here,
Sida, nakasayo mo na, di ba?
Yeah.
And I have
Pili ako marago mo
small
kanina.
orange tea on the small.
Small potato. So big now.
Guys, careful with your Play-Doh. What happened here? Here, let's try and fix it. Oh no. There's hair on the Play-Doh now. Get the hair out.
Can you do the black light?
You have to.
Pati ang nga play-doh yun.
Lagi? This Play-Doh is not good. It sticks on the table.
You know, like
Small carrots.
Mom, good. Right here.
Small carrots.
Oh, right here.
Carrots.
Oh, right here. I want small carrots. Oh, and small carrots. Yeah.
Oh my goodness. I think we need to scrape it.
Here's my carrot, Mom. Here's my carrot.
I did. I'm gonna make you the best carrot. in the whole
What? A
wide
big
world.
carrot.
Ah, carrot! Like to scrape it like this.
Carrot. Oh, carrot.
There you go, Ate.
Carrot.
Lagi sanggol lang orange yung kay white.
Oh, thank you.
No, no, May, you mixed it. Colors. How can you make carrots now?
I don't like them like that.
You don't need to make carrots.
Yeah, because I'm taking all these orange.
Yeah, here you go. Ate.
And I'm taking all these.
Don't press it on the table because it sticks to the table, guys. You can make stuff, but you don't press it because look at it. This aloe. See?
I didn't
It's
press it
stuck on
in.
the table.
Can
Right?
I press it like this?
Yeah, just press it a little bit. You're welcome, baby.
Mom, look, I'm petting it.
Mm.
If it's or not.
Yeah, good job. Alright, all good?
Yeah.
Right here. Finish your food so I can work.
Yeah. And I can have the lollipop.
Oh yeah, that's right. You
Sure.
want lollipop after breakfast. He waited for you.
Oh.
Yeah. I said that you have...
Well,
It's okay. Hello, what do you say?
Ay, lalo. I made Tita Rich. Tita Rich.
Yay, yay, I'm playing now.
Oh,
Yay,
you broke
yay,
it
yay, 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 yay,
Oh,
yay,
no.
yay, 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 yay. Buddha.
Guys, pa-massage kami, guys. Tapos na si Mama. Si Dan na ngayon. Ako nasunod niya. Bili si Mark ng street food. Sama niya kayo. Ako na pupunta kaya lang umuulan. So si Mark na lang.
Girl, it's raining outside.
Pero tayo dala 700. Pamimigay natin sa labas. Uy, ano?
Eh, abot jet ski. Kami naman, abot katulad jet ski eh. Bye! Diyan lang naman siya sa harap. Umuulan nga lang. Ang lakas talaga ng ulan.
Unsa ni madam? Wala chicken skin? Sige. 8 ka bukan eh. Wala na mo isaw? Napo ka isaw. Niya duha ka tempura. Niya duha ka hotdog. Tagpila kanina? 5. Ah, sige. Duha. Isaw ka ba ni be?
Ila?
Napo ka bok?
Ano ba?
Bora.
Take out na de.
Ah.
50 isa, take out.
Asa ta ko adok? Salamat.
Yay! Street food coming up! Yan na si Mark, yeah. I can see him. Oh my gosh, that looks like a lot. Puno talaga nakahat. Sasama kasi sana ako.
Birthday, Ayla girl. When's your birthday?
October the 19th.
Hmm?
October the 19th.
How about Alo's birthday?
Uy, gimix na ko, Ken.
Uy, kari di, ba't kari?
March?
Ang hang, ha?
Mix.
I don't know what number.
March 14. Sakto ko eh?
Yeah.
March 14. 1-4. How about Indy?
October the 60th.
September 27.
September 27? September 27.
Yang pikas, Ken, kane?
Oh, suka natin para sa isaw.
Oh my
Oh boy,
goodness.
what happened to your Play-Doh, boy? Yeah, duha na. Kay ang isaw sa gawas na kung sa laki nga siya.
So sticky.
Kaya na sila.
Okay. So, asa man?
Balik ko my
Duha ang suka, anak ka?
Ah, dapat nila yung suka. Ano sa mga isaw dapat eh.
So, isa ko ra? Mayroon ding hindi suka. Ang sama na?
Ano, wala ko yung siya natin. Sagol na ka.
monster.
Monster carrot. Carrot monster boy. Monster Arlo boys. Ooh, Monster Arlo boy.
Alright, you guys. Here we go. Here we go.
That's my bite.
Dito na yung ating mga sauce. Yan yung probe.
Oh, probe natin. Wala na yung chicken skin?
Ah, wala na?
Wala. Wala na ako nakaprobe. Boy. Tipura na. Big one.
Sakatakar ka.
You want a big one or small one? Oh my goodness.
Quick, quick. And then guys, we have hot dogs for you.
Asa to sa iya hati.
Yan na kay sauce.
Dala.
Hello. Give out and have some orange. Orange.
Suka, suka.
What do you say, boy? What do you say?
Ruben.
Thank you,
Ruben.
Can I have some? I'm going to
Quick,
make
quick.
you carrot.
And tempura and hot dog.
Open this.
And
Where's the grill?
isaw.
Can I have some grill?
Yum.
Thank you, boy.
Right, kain. Guys, let's eat.
That's the whole thing.
Asa man, maura ni mga stick gamiton?
Ganyan.
Aliwen.
Ah, yan. Usok kayo ni kaon ka.
Ay. Ito na yung
Ikaw,
lunch
guys, boy.
namin.
You want
Guys,
hot dog?
you want hot dog? Here.
Hot dog.
Yes.
This one. Hot dog.
Here. Wait, I'll get you a stick. Wait.
Kebunan. Jadi.
A tablet.
Eh, carrot. Hot dog. You want hot dog? Go eat hot dog, boy. No.
It's a hot dog tablet.
Hot dog. More hot dog, boy.
Butan na ko talaga.
Dako ka na ito ka.
Sige. Libutan na? Oh.
Ate.
Ang ganda
Hot
sauce
dog.
Kani suka tayo.
Uy.
Mama feeds me really good. Dad feeds me really rough.
Wala na yung makaano na.
Wala na.
Boy, hot dog, boy. Very yummy hot dog.
Kain tayo, guys. Sarap yung kwek-kwek.
You were on my Tito could live. In my iPad, I saw a brown Tito with lots of hair. So you are not my Tito.
First process ito na ba?
I'm your tito. Your tito, lots of hair, but about me, no hair. Eat. Yummy.
Don't feed me. You are not my Tito. Let me show you. Let me
He's
show
your
you.
Tito?
Actually, not my Tito.
Like this, like this.
Let me show you. I'm my Tito. What's the Simta stick? Simta stick have a box stick. I need a stick.
Careful, boy. It's too.
Put the
Look.
Saan mo kayo? Saan mo kaon?
Di mo suot. Ano mo kuhan kay?
Kani oh.
Nagkuhan siya, wantong may.
Unsa man mo ha? Kwek-kwek.
Ang tuyo.
Give me that, boy.
Mommy,
Hello.
can I see the picture of you when there was a big pig with everyone in it? It said,
Ate, pura,
Daddy.
menu.
Lami
Wala
ay.
ta.
Can he get Daddy?
Ay na.
Sarap.
Mommy, can you get this person? The person with a big pig? The fighter with a big pig?
Big.
Okay, maya ka naman.
Kani ko.
The one with
Ano
the
mo?
big pig when you touch the water. Yeah.
Peppa Pig.
Dad,
I don't understand.
The Peppa Pig. Lechon.
it was really
Yeah.
a long time ago. This is very good.
May labot. Yummy, boy. Hot dog. Come eat
Saan
more,
yan?
boy.
Hindi kasi isaw tayo.
Yeah. Okay na. Yeah. Yan naman.
Sili alaw.
Huwag ko mas pabila.
More, boy.
Okay. Unsa man to ang vlog nga akong gi-edit.
Yeah.
Na ang kadara gakaon niya. Akong kamera ra sa dara.
Sige.
Ang madungog ni. Dool kay kas mic ba?
Boy. One more, boy.
Hindi na po na.
Boy.
Yan.
Who is this person?
Who's that?
Who is that?
Oh my gosh, look at us.
Oh,
Oh, what going? Mong.
Ano naman?
I want to
Possible.
say this is you. I want to say
Who's that? Who's that
one
boy?
person. Hey,
Who's that boy?
You look so young. Wala pa ko anak. Ani ka na sa ni?
Mom, you look the smallest.
2019. I have you already, ate. Ano?
Wala
no.
pa eh, wala pa na.
2020 ka.
I want to say
Oh my gosh. Nunay last uli na mga walay bata.
wanted the same fun.
Yan, ni COVID pag sunod ayun, no? Pag ngayon, no? Bili ko kasi.
Tempura naman. Hindi ko pa na-try yung Proben. Maya.
You don't know yourself.
Dami pa naman binili ni Mark kasi walang chicken skin. So, dinoble niya yung Proben.
Today, 2019,
Yeah, oh, look at mommy's body.
29, 29.
Mm.
Can you find Tito Mark there, Ala?
What? You want to find it?
Yes.
Mm. Chicken skin eh?
Dili, COVID.
Easy.
Okay.
So, dapat sukan eh.
Who's Tito Mark?
Proben. First time ko to kainin. Hindi ito uso nun eh.
Magugupam na din eh.
Yeah.
I'm Pat.
Stop.
Mm.
Mommy, I need to go toilet.
Hindi.
Is anyone at the toilet?
No.
Yo.
Ano siya? Crunchy. Very crunchy.
Hindi
Similar sa ano? Chicken
Mama,
skin.
you reach the lights.
Well,
Oh, yeah.
I need a poo-poo.
Ilang taon to siya, yabon na to siya. Para maumok ba?
close the door ate if you want it closed.
Paliga.
Yan, ligo naman dito, no?
Ano na nangyari? Nilagay na dyan ang mga Proben. Dito din, quick.
Mommy.
Mana ka, Tia?
Oh.
Sure, eh. Mana ka, Tia?
That takes forever for you to do it. That takes forever.
Mana ka bayad? Punan ka na.
What happened?
Udah, kayo bag ni ate goy. 1,000 na goy.
Nasa akong wallet, Win.
Daddy,
Nasa sold sa bag.
Because what money?
To pay.
Hello guys. This
Pag-water ko ng
I like this and it's my play. This is the knife. These are the blue eyes and this is the map.
So beautiful, baby. Very, very good job.
I'm gonna make the hair.
You're gonna make the hair? Sige.
This is mommy. This is mommy, guys.
That's mommy? Okay.
I'm going to make Arlo. Okay.
Quick, do the best.
Salamat kayo sa...
Magyan na, pero bilhin.
There,
Kaya ko na natin.
this is mommy.
Pilay suit sa usakwan.
This is mommy.
Lima, 30 na rin. Ano?
Mommy looks so beautiful.
Ito ang vlogging ko.
Aww. Thank you, ate.
And now,
Ha?
and then now just makes another person.
Dahil 5. 50 na po.
Mommy, would this be on your period?
Sa dasuna.
That's the big face. But I'm not gonna make it like that. I'm only gonna make it even. Mom, is it the vlog still on?
Yep. Do you wanna see your face?
Yeah. That's all I.
Arlo is also a fish.
And he's like sure. And that's Tito
Wala
Mom.
ko ako Asa ako Maghatag lang kang ate.
Look at Arlo. Hello.
He looks so fat.
Adagan ka pa kung di.
Look, Mommy, this is you. Mom, this is you.
Wala.
Thanks, baby.
Sukod ko na to.
Work. Look, you're walking. Work. I'm gonna do a big jump. Roll. Roll. Look, this is Mommy. This is Mommy.
Teka ko na natin.
That's a chicken.
No, this is Mommy.
Ayla, who's this?
Her
Ayla, who's this?
head broke off.
Ayla, who's this?
Tito Wayne.
That's Tito.
Tinda ko na na. Tito Wayne.
No feet and hands.
That's Tito Tito Wing.
Tito Wayne's wearing blue.
Ano naman ang tituloy na?
It's wearing blue.
Yeah, he loves it. Kitty Pen is so blue. And he broke his leg off.
Hi, Koys.
Oops.
Oh
Oh,
no!
I was looking for his Captain America.
I'll find him.
Oh, you found it? Oh.
I love that toy, Arlo. I think it's my favorite toy ever. Can I see?
I sit
I
there.
love this toy. This is so cool. I love how small it
I
is.
sit there and play.
Sure.
Wait. Ano ilong kayo sa ano?
Hello guys, this is Peter Rich. And this was a love Bogus toy. I'm gonna make some boogers for her. Hello guys, this is Peter Rich.
What did you put on her?
I put some boogers on her. And I'm gonna show Peter Rich right now.
Go.
Wala na nagkakat.
Show siya, Tita Rich.
Sipon ba yung gadget?
Peter Rich, you're not bring boogers.
I like it.
But you always
Mukha sa pagkakat.
How's Arlo? Kalma na kayo. What are you doing, Arlo?
I'm making a toy.
A car!
No, I'm making a toy. Car.
Toilet?
I'm making a toy.
A what?
Toy?
Toy.
A guitar! A guitar!
I'm Joe the die.
Oh, go show the guys.
Die. I
Good
found
job.
Oh, that's good job, Arlo.
Ano? Good job, Cham? Apo. Good job, Cham.
Your guitar like a ducky.
I make a poo too.
Oh, good
Hey,
job.
I'm gonna make a love heart.
Okay.
Toys say this must say monster and this must say monster. And that must say monsters.
Yeah, I think they love it. Well done, Arlo.
Thanks, mommy.
You're welcome, baby.
Oh, hi, girl!
How are you, my love? How are you? Wait,
Mommy, does Cindy have a bump on her head?
Where is it, Bella?
Daddy, why?
You okay, Dee? Oh my gosh, it is here. Oh no, that's a big one.
I want to say.
Oh, we can't see it. Don't touch it, babe. It hurts, I think.
This is you. This is Tita Ma can do.
Ay, sige daw. Naaramis. I think, yeah, I think it hurts. Here, just. Ano ka man? Dili na po nga.
Little eyes.
Didi! Didi! Careful! Agay! Oy, careful, Alo. Nag-aagay na din yan si Indy. Ang lakas niya mag-agay! Agay! Oy! Agay!
Excuse me.
Alis tong asawa ko at ang aking brother, guys. May pupuntahan silang restaurant. Magmumotor daw sila. Punta silang restaurant. Magti-take away lang sila. Where is it? Just wait here, Daddy. You be careful, my love, huh? Mark, do you have phone? Do you have your phone? Careful with that, tambucho. Bye. Hold on tight and don't move. Okay, bye-bye, Kel. Pag hinahinay, Mark, siki at Kel. Ito namang dalawa, gustong bumili ng chicken. Alo, show me your money.
No voice.
Where? Oh, good job. Ayla, give it to him.
She would us get some toys.
No, chicken. You choose the part of the chicken, okay?
Well, I want to pie.
Careful, careful. Just wait, Alo. Get the chicken first. much. Ha?
Ito rin, palit, 400.
Dili uy.
Pila, ako sa lang, diba?
Duha.
Dua-dua.
Gagmay man no.
Chingko ko na.
Iya, duha.
Chingko. Sakto ra urot.
Oh, hurot. Kanang drumstick dong.
Drumstick ka daw.
Yeah, drumstick na lang tanan.
Ano sa lahat na?
Alo, you give the money, Alo. Yeah, mura. Okay. Give it to the lady, Alo. And you know what to say.
May chingko ka na.
Wait. Let's go.
Good job, Alo. Well done, Bang, Alo. Wow, wala bang mas oily? Parang yung oil na ginamit ni ate sa massage, napunta lahat sa mukha ko. Bakit? Pagka-oily natin today. Tingnan nyo to sila. Napunta sila ng...
Ligo.
Ha?
Ligo ka, pwede maligo.
I don't know, but tapos na din naman ako maligo. Naligo ako kanina umaga. Bumili sila ng mangga. Doon to malapit sa 7-Eleven, oh.
Ah.
Ang dami niya pang binili. Tapos mayroong bagoong. Pagkatapos ko lang kumain ng dinner. Dito yung aking dinner, oh. Chicken. Busog na busog pa ako doon. Thank you, Lord. Bagoong.
Hindi ka nang stande.
Saan sa? Yeah, ganahan siya. Yeah, nagustuhan ni Dan yung dinner niya. Carbonara. Naubos niya. Hindi niya masyadong gusto yung bolognese. Pero yung carbonara, gustuhan niya naman. Ay! Miss! Alika na! Kain tayo, guys. Ay, punong-puno na yung aking tiyan. Magpajamas na tayo. Para matakpan konti. Ating katyanan.
Padam na yung kote. Ayan.
Lami ang kaning bagoong kay manamis-namis. Mangga.
Kung pang ikaw, yan ko na buong
Yeah. Again. Mangga. Come on.
Mangga with Didi. Di kaya pa di?
Yum, yum.
Aslo ko na di.
Yummy? Ang gulo mo di ay na.
The angles. You got two angles di. It's so pretty di.
Awa, lagi-lagi.
Bright in mo.
One shot dali.
Ay mo book.
Chubby.
Fake man siguro niya akong camera di.
Oo. Wala siya lang.
Bitaw
Ma- nice ang colors ako ah.
Ano ka na no spad? Na ako'y point
Nabalik kasi mo
plus
kasi mas pag kayo.
0.7 EB.
Ay, naku.
Ano na sa mo mas pag kayo, mate ka?
Sabaw ka na?
Para.
Saan na siya?
Ang exposure.
So, meet.
Zero lang.